They say it's all gloom.
We see circumstances spelling doom.
And yes, it's a real struggle to boom. Longing for a breakthrough, but no room. And now you're boxed in. Seems there's no way out. And just then,
it says, I am God, I change not. He will hasten his word. A performance will come to your life in Jesus' name.
it's time
To demonstrate the power of the Lord in your life in Jesus' name.
Come alive for GCK Positivity. Look ahead. It's a large field of possibilities. At the largest state, North Central Nigeria, Niger State is the alpha location. This September 2022, 22nd to 27th, 1600 hours GMT. The God of all possibilities, live at the Trade Fair Complex, Shango Abuja Road, Mina, Niger State, and broadcast to the world live. There's satellite, social media, radio and television, featuring special conference where ministers and professionals will experience faith for all possibility.
And the Impact Academy will be a super flight of extraordinary pace setters for all youth, young adults, and professionals.
The humble, honest, and holiness-inspired man of excellence, your GCK convener, Dr. W.F. Kumuyi, will be ministering along with the American gospel singer Paul Baloch, the God of all possibilities, for everyone, governors, kings, and queens.
My name is Dr. Shem Zagbai Nuhu, the former Deputy Governor of Niger State, and I'm glad to be associated with Pastor Kumuyi. I want to use this opportunity to invite all Nigerians to the Global Crusade with Kumuyi.
GCK, this September, your season of possibilities. Nothing is impossible.